morning team. Today we are going to be making focaccia and we're going to be doing a bake along from a new book that I've started recently baking from. This is Gosni's new pizza book, and they've got a pretty good looking focaccia recipe in it which we're going to be baking along to today. Today we're going to be using a few different bits of equipment. We're going to be mixing in a stand mixer. I will need a few bowls, a scale to weigh out all of the ingredients. There was a pre-ferment which was a Biga which had been made last night. after a day of baking, we are finally at the point where it's all finished. We've got 2 loaves. As you can see, I couldn't really wait. I tried some before because I was so hungry and just didn't have the patience. But now what we're going to do is slice into this and have a look at what's actually happened inside there. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, that is absolutely just what we're hoping for. Light, bubbly, very crispy and crunchy. We have a lot of sesame seeds all over that, and then at the end the brown butter and black pepper infusion has made this absolutely mind-blowing. I am so excited to share this recipe with you, and more importantly, eat some of this bread right now, because I am really hungry. Oh wow, look at that. Crispy, crunchy, still a bit buttery and oily. It is delicious. Absolutely amazing. If you like the recipe, please share, and I would love a subscription and a like. That would be great.